Now, the most powerful explosion you can possibly conceive. Now, multiply that by 1 billion. That's a gamma-ray burst, the absolute brightest explosions in the entire universe. These aren't just stars going supernova. These are cataclysmic events, packing more energy in a few seconds than our sun will in its entire 10 billion-year lifetime. They can outshine entire galaxies for a fleeting moment. These cosmic fireworks are believed to originate from two main sources: the collapse of massive stars into black holes, or the collision of neutron stars. The first gamma-ray burst ever detected was an accidental discovery by a U.S. satellite, initially thought to be a nuclear test, but its cosmic origin was soon confirmed, opening a new window into the universe's most violent processes. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that beyond the familiar stars, the universe is a place of unfathomable power, where these brilliant, fleeting gamma-ray bursts are constantly rewriting the cosmic record books.